In today's video, we'll teach you the Chinese character for art or skill, pronunciation. E. This is a fun character in the Chinese language because the character E was originally related to the art of planting and gardening that gradually morphed into its modern form. This makes it easier to learn. Now let's see some examples. 艺术 art or artistic. 工艺 arts and craft. 文艺 literature and art. 演艺 performing arts. 综艺 variety show and entertainment format, very popular in China. Now let's try a sentence. 他有一手好手艺. He is a master of his craft. 文艺作品所反映的生活可以比实际生活更典型。Life as depicted in works of art and literature may be more representative than real life itself. So there you have it. Now you know the character for art in Chinese. Congratulations on building up your fundamental Chinese vocabulary. Please subscribe and stay tuned for more Chinese lessons.